been wondering, what are essential oils anyway? I'm going to answer that question in this video. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'm also excited to offer you my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide with common uses and more. You can find that link in the description below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Now, let's get to the question. What are essential oils anyway? The short answer is essential oils are concentrated, volatile, aromatic liquids that come from the plants, the stems, the seeds, the flowers, the bark, the roots, really any part of the plant. In other words, they're the smelly part of the plant. Plants create essential oils and store them in tiny molecular sacs. They do this to attract bees and other pollinating insects and also to repel pests. In other words, they're protecting the plant. They're useful. Oranges, limes, and lemons and other citrus plants store their essential oils in the rinds. They are literally the essence of the odor of the plant. Now, a true essential oil is one that has been grown in its indigenous area, harvested at its peak time, properly distilled, and not tampered with or adulterated in any way. So why Doterra? I know there are a million places you can buy your essential oil these days, and I'm not going to talk about any of those other companies, but I'm going to tell you why I chose Doterra. There was a problem, and Doterra fixed it. The problem was no one was regulating essential oils, so anybody could put anything in a bottle and call it 100% pure. Doterra came up with the certified pure tested grade, which is the standard that our oils are held to. This means that our oils are sourced indigenously and ethically, that they are tested to be sure they are chemical-free, and those test reports are published online where you can view them anytime. What other essential oil company does that? None. Now you know exactly what essential oils are and why you should only buy Doterra certified pure tested grade essential oils to help you take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.